Guys, why do they gotta make these mini split boards like puzzles? I gotta disconnect all these little things up in here. I mean, holy hell. I gotta keep track of all these wires, make sure everything is in the right spot, so. Yep, yes sir. No space to pull this thing off all the way, so lovely. Even once you get access to these things, sometimes it's a pain in the ass to get all these things off. I mean, let's see. Damn, I need two hands for this shit. Oh no. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell are these things? Why are those on there? Little locking clips? Someone explain to me. Some bullshit. Like, what a great idea. Let's put on these little clips to lock these little harnesses in here. That way, if anybody ever needs to service it, it makes it even harder to pull these off. Yes, thank you, Mr. Engineer. Because these little locking tabs were not enough. All right, it is the next day. This is our new board. There's no charring on it, so we're going to now get this thing in. It's one of those things, it's like, how do you even start this? But once you start it, it's generally not, putting it back in isn't generally too hard. Once you just kind of have to start somewhere. So we'll just pick some spots and go to work. All right, so our board is mostly in here. I'm just gonna reference the video I took last time I was here and make sure I get these colors all right and make sure I have all these wire harnesses. These two, this is a bad design. This one right here is a bad design because this one and this one are exactly the same wire harness, just different colors. So I'm assuming it's color coded, but I'm gonna verify that. I'm just gonna look over the whole video, and I took some pictures, look over everything. All right, so we are all wired up. Now we're just gonna go through, make sure all of our wires are out of the way. I don't even know, I think that this was here. Try and keep everything. See if there's anything that is, I don't know if that's by design or not, this little clip. All of our wires are routed properly. They have these little things to hold some of these. Oh, we missed one. Check this out. So, yep, double checking everything. Oof. Is this the right one? God damn it. We're gonna have to check again. Alright, guys. So, yeah, I definitely had this one on the wrong one. That's why we make sure we have good footage and double check everything. But yeah, it goes way back in here. I didn't even see it. It's like way back in there. Well, this actually is helping me a little bit, I think. Let's see. Come on, buddy. There we go. All right, got that one. And we'll get this one into its home. Got this guy now. Bam. I think we are all good now. I'm gonna do another quick sweep and just look at everything. I am not 100% certain that this is gonna fix it. We actually were called here for a leak repair. See how oily that is? This thing had leaked out its whole charge. It was at 0. We were the second company to come out to work on this thing, and we were not the installing company, neither was the last company. They walked from this job after seeing it. So, I mean, it's not really, I mean, there's a lot of code violations outside and inside. So, yeah, they walked. He called us. I was like, we'll take it. And so, yeah, we're going to try and start this thing up and see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't fry another board. All right. See what happens here. Last time the board smoked when we plugged it in, so this is a good sign. 50-50. We'll go try and turn it on and see what happens. All right, we just turned it on. I'm gonna come out here. I mean, it's not smoking. Hey, now, go. Go. Holy shit. It's alive. God damn. Alright, we're gonna put this on here. She lives. Unit is working. This thing is running. Bye-bye.